Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have a package here that I ordered from Depop. It's the 3 Trick-or-Treaters plushes. I'm very excited to open this. I got them for 20 bucks for both of them, and if you know, they sell these for expensive, so I'm so lucky that I'm able to get my hands on this. This package actually went missing since August 18th, and it is now September 16th. It's not the seller's fault, but it got stuck somewhere. As you can tell, it's damaged, but I'm pretty sure everything inside is fine. But yeah, it was pretty crazy. But yeah, so let's open it up. So I'm very excited to open this, as I can tell you. It was definitely such a good deal. So I cannot wait. And if you can't tell, I'm wearing my Knit for Christmas pajamas right now. Ooh, this is loud. Okay, luckily it was taped up really well, because this would have definitely come loose if not, unless they taped it up. Oh, okay. So cute. Okay, so I see them here already. Trying to open this better so I can show you guys it. It's always a struggle getting a freaking box open. Okay, so here they are. Oh my god, these look huge. So here they are, they're in here. I actually opened it the wrong way. Okay, so, oh, so they're in this bag. Oh, okay. So here is one of them. My goodness. The tags are a little bit damaged, but it's okay. Oh, these were technically $6. So this is Beryl. Here he is. And then we have Locke here. His head's a little bit backwards, as you can tell, but that's okay. So here he is. And also they have the little Maxes with them as well. And then, of course, the last one is Stock. I do know the names, I'm just so tired because I'm filming this at past 2. So this is Stock here. They did get kind of smushed being all packed up in this little package thing, so they are kind of smushed unless they roll like this. They are a bit dirty, but I'm gonna wash them then. So here they are. They're really cute little. They're like bigger than what I thought they were. I have a Oogie Boogie that I got. I'll show you guys in a moment. So my Oogie Boogie is like this. This is my Oogie Boogie, and like look at them compared to this. I do have a bigger one, but it's more like a cute kiddish kind of version. But my Oogie Boogie is not even like close to the size of these, but it's okay, it's okay. But yeah, so here they are. I think they're pretty cool. Definitely glad to have these in my collection. So yeah, I got the Trick-or-Treaters plushes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That's basically it for the video. I didn't have like a long thing. I just did film a Hot Topic haul, so I'm kind of tired from that. But make sure you go check that out, because I'm so definitely will have that out before I post these. And also, if I don't post the rest of them, I will upload eBay unboxing of other plushes that I got, and of course Oogie Boogie is one of them. So make sure you go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching.